flowing, still remaining like waves on the ocean. Heavily profiling, so again after a while and reminiscing and smiling, change digits for a dialing, eye to eye contact on that occasion. I could write chapters and beyond that matter. Got to know about her to check her, nickname her Musica. Couldn't believe it when she told me she sang, gave her beyond appearance by plan and thing. She rhymes in a crew called Soma, explosive aroma, reminiscent of Oklahoma. Never had an input, she will be the one to feed that. After the signal, the feedback. No harmony, but harmony with harmony. Something like a phenomenon. See, physical laws of cause and effect. Dedicate this one to music. My words used to be bitter, now they glitter. Writing her letters from the day I met her. Even if rationally my thought passionate is my feeling, I'm led towards you like heat towards the ceiling. Heart beats high pressure like a priceless treasure. Your beauty beyond what naked I can measure. Even if I'm in mute and sometimes you say you're moody in your mood swing, I sing about your beauty. The music, lighting, writing, the music, lighting, 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 all night, the music. Like infatuation too temporary to sprout, no doubt. On one hand the wind blows the candle out, on the other the wind blows, yet the fire grows. It must be the muse, I suppose. For the time being I miss her, I wish I could kiss her, make love to her, get near her and whisper how much I care. I could compare your beauty, a microcosm, your inner, the universal sphere. Heavily profiling, so again after a while, reminiscing and smiling, change digits for a dialing, eye to eye contact on that occasion. I could write chapters and beyond that. Better got to know her, better to check her, nickname her Musica. Couldn't believe it when she told me she sang, gave her beyond